everybody, welcome to Elsa's NCE show. Today we are going to talk about the car race. You can see that I'm very busy looking at the cars, these little cars, people and everything else. And you might think these people at the car race are a little weird. But that's not important. The important thing is about the car race. Anyway, let's start the show. There is a car race near our town every year. In 1995, there was a very big car race. There were hundreds of people there. My wife and I were at the race. Our friend Julie and Jack were there too. You might think Jack is a little weird because he's a pirate. Anyway, you can see us in the crowd. We are standing on the left. Okay, now I will be the narrator. I will tell you about the car race. There were 20 cars in the race. There were French cars, Japanese cars, Italian cars, German cars, English cars, and American cars. Ready, steady, go! It was an exciting finish. It was an exciting finish. The winner was Dylan Stewart. He was in car number 15. Well, you might think it's a little weird because this is not a gentleman. Anyway, but that's not important. Five other cars were right behind him. On the way home, my wife said to me, "Don't drive so quickly. You are not Billy Stewart." Okay, everybody. I think you may think this is the funniest video I have ever made. Well, that's what I think. If you think so too, tell me on the YouTube. Okay, bye-bye.